Hello there traders, this is Matt with Freedom Trade Group. We're going to do a weekly trade review for the week of August 14th through the 20th. And guys, I'm just going to pull back the curtains here and show you the exact trades that I took for last week, the winners and the losers, so you can see what that looks like. And hopefully give you a little bit of an idea of what trading can do for you. So I've already got this pulled up for the week. And you can actually see I've got quite a few trades placed. However, you'll notice that there's actually only 3 days last week that we had these trades go through. Okay, 3 days out of the week, saw some great opportunities. Had a few losers, but overall some fantastic winners. You can see ended the week with $5,800 in net profit when it was all said and done. You know, what would an extra $5,000 do for your week, guys? You can see here's the currency pairs that I got in on these trades, the profits and losses. And I actually just want to point out one trade in particular, one of the better trades. Let's see, where are we at right here? This trade right here on the dollar CAD, okay? Gonna minimize this down so you can get a better look and see what that looked like. And we had this big run down on the dollar CAD. You can see price was getting lower and lower. Big drive down here, and actually right here was where I got in on this trade. I bought, drove, held on to it as the market drove higher, got out here. Great entry and a great exit, you can see. Now again, I would ask, how would I know when to buy here and to sell up here and get out of my trade? Just by blindly looking at the market, these candlesticks. And you know what? I wouldn't, unless I had the right tools that gave me a competitive advantage and help notify me of that move before it happened. Okay, and that's the beauty of our indicators that we use. I've got this scrolled back here around the time that I got in on this trade, identified it. I really liked the setup here, and as you can see, the big point of significance that we look for time and time again is this telltale move here where I've got my majors and my minors, right? And they were showing me what was going on. We had this big drive down, continuation down, and then look at this turnaround right here. I've got my majors in the oversold territory, crossing, pointing up, minors crossing, pointing up at the same time, telling me that they're in unison, where in all likelihood we're probably going to be seeing some buying in the near future. And of course, as you can tell, that's exactly what ended up happening, wasn't it? From this point on, we had a great drive up, and right there we can see it right in the charts. That's exactly what happened there. So you guys, a great trade example. I hope that helps. Again, I want you to see the potential here of just taking even a couple trades, you guys. Here's one trade we had for $3,000. Just imagine if you could get on one trade a week, maybe even one trade per month. Doing this extremely part-time, this can still help supplement your income and help you get some great returns in the market. So I've seen what this can do for people's lives. I want the same for you. If you guys want to get involved, you can go to freedomtradegroup.com, and we've got a lot of great ways for you to get started with us. Send us some questions. We love to help you any way we can. I'm going to wrap it up there for today. I hope this was helpful for you, and wishing you nothing but the best of luck in your trading.